Quick video of the Blackview BV9900 PRO with the FLIR lepton in here. Comes with a USB charger here, cable, USB headphones, the phone itself, power it on. There it goes. And we have the instructions here. So it is a waterproof camera, waterproof phone here. Has a SIM card and a micro SD. Skip all these things here. Alright, we just want to test the thermal camera, of course, here. So let's just get to that as soon as we can. There we go. So how do we get this thing? Oh, there it is. By FLIR. There we go. Here we have thermal, all built in. I believe that's the lepton right there, next to the imaging one, and our light. Let's see, get some different patterns here. So it's basically like the standard FLIR USB one, but with all built in to a nice waterproof housing. It's pretty fast as well, as you can see. Maybe a temperature as well. Very cool. Alright, do it more in depth later, but that's just the unboxing and basic core functionality here. Not going to go into the rest of this other stuff too much, but there we go.